Lily, are you in your room?
Yes, come in.
Do you know something?
What?
Today is my birthday.
Of course I know.
Then why am I sad?
Why are you sad?
Because nobody remembers. There is no cake, no balloons, no gifts.
Benny, it's still noon. It's too early.
Last year, the house was full of balloons at noon.
That was last year. This year is different.
I think they forgot.
I'm sure they didn't forget.
Then why didn't they say happy birthday?
Maybe they are planning a surprise.
I don't think so.
Why?
They look normal.
That's how surprises work.
Maybe.
Are you bored?
Yes, a little.
Let's play PlayStation. It will be fun.
Really? Okay.
Hi, Luna.
Hi, Harry. Where are you?
I am at the supermarket.
Good. Did you buy the cake?
Not yet.
Why not?
I will buy it after this.
Please don't forget.
I won't forget.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am sure.
What about the gift?
The gift is ready.
Good. Please buy balloons.
Oh no,
What?
I forgot the balloons.
Please go back and get them.
Okay.
And candles.
Candles too?
Yes, candles too.
Okay, anything else?
No, that's all.
I will come home soon.
Drive safe.
See you soon. Bye.
Yes, I won again.
No, you didn't.
Look at the screen.
That was lucky.
I am always lucky.
Last time I won.
I don't remember that.
I remember.
Let's play one more time.
No,
Why?
I need to be alone. I have something to do.
For how long?
Maybe 1 or 2 hours.
2 hours?
Yes,
That is not fair.
please understand.
Fine. I think nobody loves me. Mom forgot my birthday. Dad forgot too. Lily doesn't want me in her room. Maybe I am not important. I will go to my room. I will play alone.
Benny, I told you not now.
It's me, Lily.
Oh, Mom, come in.
What are you doing?
I am watching a video.
What video?
How to make a candle.
A candle? Why?
For Benny's birthday.
That is a sweet idea.
But I can't do it alone.
Why not?
It looks dangerous. I don't want to make a mistake.
I can help you.
Really?
Yes, of course.
Thank you, Mom.
What do we need?
Old candles, a string for the middle, a pot to melt the wax, and a mold.
Do we have a mold?
I don't think so.
Wait,
What?
we can use a cookie cutter.
Really?
Yes, we have a bear shape.
That is even better.
Let's go to the kitchen.
Let's go.
Bring the old candles.
Here they are.
Put them in the pot.
Okay,
Be careful.
I will.
Now we wait.
It is melting.
Yes, slowly.
It looks nice.
Now put the string in the middle.
Like this?
Yes, perfect.
Now we pour it.
Slowly.
Okay. I hope Benny likes it.
He will love it.
It is for him.
You're a good sister.
I love him.
I know you do.
I will put it in a box.
Good idea.
I will wrap it.
If you need help, tell me.
Okay, Mom.
I'll get the door.
Who is it?
Just wait, Benny.
Hey, my family.
Hi, you're finally home.
Yes, I am. Traffic was crazy, but I got everything.
Everything.
Yes. The balloons, the candles, the cake, and something special.
Hi, Dad.
Hi, birthday boy.
You didn't say happy birthday.
Oh, did I forget?
I think so.
Maybe I did. I was very busy today.
See? I knew it.
Everyone, get ready. Put on your shoes. We are going out.
Going out? Where?
It's a surprise. Just trust me.
Come on, Benny. Put on your jacket. Let's go.
Dad, where are we going?
You will see soon.
Is it the park?
No,
Is it Grandma's house?
no.
Then where?
Just wait.
Stop asking so many questions.
I don't like secrets.
Sometimes secrets are fun.
Not for me.
We are here.
A restaurant?
Yes.
That's it? We just came to eat.
Yes, we are hungry.
But today is my birthday,
I know.
and there are no balloons, no cake, no gift.
He is going to cry.
I am not going to cry. I am just disappointed.
Let's go inside first.
Hello, welcome.
Thank you.
Is it a special day?
Maybe.
It's my birthday, but nobody remembers.
Oh, really?
Please bring the menus.
Of course.
Benny, what do you want to eat?
I don't know. I'm not very hungry.
I want pasta.
I will have steak.
I'll order salad and chicken.
Maybe I'll take a burger. Why is it dark?
I don't know.
What is that music?
Just listen. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Benny.
What? What is happening?
Surprise!
Happy birthday, son.
We didn't forget.
You didn't forget?
Of course not. We love you.
This is for me?
Yes, all of it.
Here is your cake, Benny.
It looks amazing.
Make a wish!
Close your eyes.
Okay. I'm closing them.
Think about your biggest wish.
I did.
Now blow the candles.
Done.
Wait, there is more.
More?
Yes, this is from me.
A gift?
Yes, open it.
Okay. Wow. Is this a tablet?
Yes, it is.
Really? For me?
Yes, for you.
Thank you, Mom. Thank you so much.
Do you like it?
I love it. It's perfect.
You look happy now.
I am very happy.
So, was it a good surprise?
It was the best surprise ever. Wait, can I make another wish?
But the candles are finished.
Oh, I should have made 2 wishes.
Maybe you can.
How? There are no candles.
I have something for you.
You do?
Yes, this is my gift.
You bought me something?
I made it.
Really?
Open it and see.
These are candles. They are so cute.
I made them for you. I worked very hard.
You made them? By yourself?
Mom helped me a little, but it was my idea.
She did a great job. She was very careful.
They are bear candles. I love bears.
I know. That's why I chose this shape.
Thank you, Lily. This is very special.
You're welcome. I wanted you to smile.
So, Benny, now you have new candles.
Yes. That means I can make another wish.
Maybe, but this wish has one rule.
A rule? What rule?
You have to close your eyes. And you have to say your wish out loud.
Out loud? Everyone will hear it.
That's the fun part. We want to hear it.
Come on, Benny. Be brave.
Okay, I will try.
Ready?
Ready!
Close your eyes.
Now say your wish.
I wish I had a big remote control car. A very big one. And a very fast one. That is my wish.
Good wish. Now blow the candles.
Done. I feel good. I hope it comes true.
Here, this is from me.
Another gift?
Yes, open it.
It's a small box. It looks tiny. Okay. It's a controller. It looks like a car controller. But where is the car?
Good question.
Maybe the car is not here.
What? Then where is it?
Stand up. Let's go outside for a minute.
Outside, but our food is coming.
It's okay. We'll be quick.
Come on, Benny.
Dad, why are we here?
Just look at the trunk.
The trunk? No way. Is that for me? It's huge.
Do you like it?
I love it. It's exactly what I wanted.
Happy birthday, son. This is your car.
You knew my wish? How?
Parents know many things.
It's a little secret.
This is the best day ever. I thought you forgot my birthday.
We would never forget.
Never. You are very important to us.
Very, very important.
Thank you. I feel so happy.
Let's go back inside. Our food is waiting.
Yes, I'm hungry now.
Dad, look over there.
What?
There is a guitar and a microphone. Can you sing for Benny? It's his birthday. It would be special.
Well, that's a good idea. But I need permission. Excuse me,
Yes, sir?
today is my son's birthday. Can I sing one song for him?
Of course. That would be lovely.
Thank you so much. Good evening, everyone. Today is my son Benny's birthday. He is sitting right there. I want to sing a song for him. I want him to know how much we love him.
Happy birthday, my little star. You shine bright wherever you are. You make us smile every day in your own sweet and funny way. You are brave and you are kind. You have a strong and clever mind. We are proud of who you are. You are our shining superstar.